Have you ever wondered why your coffee tastes perfect one day and completely different the next? I wondered the same thing until one cup of coffee taught me a powerful lesson. A lesson about consistency, a lesson about quality, a lesson called Six Sigma. And today, I'm going to show you how a simple coffee shop story reveals one of the most effective process improvement methods in the world. Slide 1, Six Sigma. How a cup of coffee taught me Six Sigma. Every morning, I stop at the same coffee shop. And every morning, something goes wrong. Sometimes the coffee is too sweet, sometimes too bitter, sometimes it takes 20 minutes, and sometimes they even forget my order. One day, I wondered, why can't they just get it right every time? That's when I discovered something powerful. Six Sigma. Slide 2. The problem. Imagine this coffee shop. They serve 500 cups a day. But 100 customers complain that their coffee tastes different each time. That's a 20% defect rate. The owner, Rohan, is stressed. Business is dropping. He needs a way to make the coffee perfect every single time. Not 5 times out of 10. Not 9 times out of 10. But 99.99966% perfect. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what Six Sigma aims for. Slide 3. Enter Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a quality improvement method used by companies like Motorola, GE, Amazon, and Toyota. And now, Rohan's coffee shop. The goal is simple: reduce defects, improve processes, and make customers super happy. It follows 5 steps called DMAIC, and Rohan decides to try them. Slide 4. The DMAIC story, DMAIC, stands for define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Let's see how Rohan applies these steps to fix his coffee shop problems. Slide 5. Define first, define. Rohan talks to his customers and gathers complaints. Too sweet. Not hot. Took too long. He defines the problem clearly. Coffee taste and delivery time are inconsistent. Slide 6. Measure next, measure. The team measures sugar, milk, temperature, and preparation time for 100 cups. The results? Sugar varied from 1 spoon to 3 spoons. Temperature varied from 50 degrees to 80 degrees. Preparation time varied by 10 minutes. Too much variation means unhappy customers. Slide 7. Analyze, then analyze. Why is this happening? They find the root causes. Each staff member uses a different spoon. There is no fixed recipe, no machine calibration, and too many steps causing delays. Slide 8. Improve. Now, improve. Rohan makes changes. 1 standard recipe. A standard sugar scoop. Calibrate the machine daily. Rearrange the shop so staff can work faster. Now, the coffee tastes the same every time. Slide 9. Control. Finally, control. Rohan sets up weekly checks, staff training, and tracking charts. Quality stays consistent. Customer complaints drop from 100 a week to almost 0. Slide 10. The result, Rohan's shop becomes the most popular in the city. And that is the power of Six Sigma, a method that takes chaos and turns it into consistency. Slide 11. Outro. So, the next time your coffee tastes perfect, remember, there might be a little Six Sigma magic behind it. If you enjoyed this story and want more lessons like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.